Hey, so recently I've been looking for different ways to make money as a teenager or a student, and I found a few sites here. First one is Prize Rebel, and basically you just complete surveys, offer walls videos. You can just let the videos stay up in the background, complete some surveys. They usually pay you 75 points, and 75 points is basically 76 cents US. So it's really that easy to make points through this, and I have made 1600 points, which that's like 16 USD, $16 USD, and I've already processed all these since December 14, which helped me pay for Christmas and stuff like that. And it was really that easy, $16, and like I started since probably December 12th. So another site that I like is Swagbucks, and I've really made a lot more points through this recently. 55 USD, so it's the same system as Prize Rebel, where 5500 is 55 USD. Um, and you do stuff like answering daily polls, or answering surveys, 15 minutes, 60 cents, or 20 minutes, 60 cents, like that. Also different types. There's also plenty of surveys on Swagbucks, which that's why I like it a lot more than Prize Rebel for sure. Um, and you can also do different things like watching, searching. Even you can even play games and make money in the background. And then once you make a lot of money, you can also get member recognition. So I'm in Onyx right now, and that got me like a lot of rebates and double SB, double Swagbucks on the gold surveys. So yeah, don't forget to use the referral codes in the description below. Really cool thing about Swagbucks as well is if you click on the referral link below in the description, once you make 300 SB within the first 30 days of making your account through the referral code, you'll make another 300 SB, so it'll be $6 in total, so basically double your earnings. Prize Rebel also has a referral program. I'm pretty sure you make some money off of it too if you click on the referral link below. But since I'm silver level, I can make 20% off of the referrals. And then as you make more money, you make a bigger percentage and automatic prize processing, which I think is really cool. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.